Hi, I'm Aiko. Welcome to day 2 of creating my first 1 million before 2027. So, yesterday guys, I made my first sale July 1. Umabot siya ng 1,648. So happy na I finally make it. Kasi itong journey na ito, matagal ko na itong gusto, matagal ko na itong plan. And I'm so happy na ngayon hindi na siya plan. Nagawa ko na siya guys. And I made my first sale yesterday, July 1. It's in about month. So building on that environment to do the work. So ngayon guys, maglilinisin natin yung room ko kasi nakapansin ko natin sobrang kalat. Yung sobrang kalat. So alam naman natin kahit sino, and alam naman natin the more na mas malinis yung space natin, gano'n na mas makakapag-isip tayo ng mas malinis. And yung paglilinis ito guys, I'm going to do this for the next 1 week. And also guys, going to the gym is part of this day to din kasi hindi lang dapat financially yung binibuild natin, dapat binibuild din natin yung sarili natin emotionally and physically. So ngayon guys, ang program ko is arm day with shoulder and arm. What I mean sa arm, bicep and tricep. To be honest guys, hindi ko pa alam yung sasabihin ko. Still, I'm at my hard pace pa kasi nga part din ng journey na to is i-build yung communication skill or i-build lahat. So, lang guys, that is for day 2. My workspace, my space is finally ready. Tomorrow, it's back to creating. One day closer, one step closer to my first 1 million for 2020.